Hi friends, welcome to Tech Study and T-SQL tutorial series. In this session, we are going to discuss about uh, foreign key constraint in T-SQL or SQL. Okay, a foreign key constraint is used to ensure referential integrity between two tables. It ensures that the value is in a column or columns of one table match the values is in a referenced column or columns in another table. Here is an example illustrating how to use a foreign key constraint with insert statement data. Let's create a two tables, orders and customers table. Each order in orders table will have customer ID, must match with existing customer ID in the customer table. Then it will won't insert the data if it is not matching. So the ID should be available in the parent table, then only we can child table, then only we can insert the data into the parent table. Okay, let's see the examples. So customer table has we have customer ID primary key, first name and last name. Orders table, order ID and customer ID and order date. Foreign key customer ID references with customers table customer ID. Okay, in orders table customer ID references with customer table customer ID. Okay, so whenever we are trying to insert the data into orders table, the customer ID should available in customer table. We are going to see the example how it could be, how it will fails the if it is not their customer ID, what it will give the error. Let's see in session in the while inserting the data. So in this example, customers table has a customer ID column as the primary key. Orders table has order ID column as the primary key. And customer ID column, which is a foreign key referencing the customer ID column in customers table. Okay, keep in mind. So let's insert the data with some examples. So use training database. Let's create the two tables. Okay, we have created. So now we are inserting the data into the customers table. Okay, I have inserted the customer ID is 1 2. We have inserted the data. It won't bother about like this one, first name and last name. Okay, this is related to foreign key. It will only focusing on primary key and foreign key relationship. Okay, so now we are trying to insert the data into orders table. Why? Because it's a child table. The customer ID already we have in the table. Okay, in the relationship table. See, customer ID 1 2, that is the reason it is inserted the data. Now we are trying to insert the data. Customer ID is 3. Let me show you the data. Select star from customers. Here we have customer ID 1 2 is there, but 3 is not there, right? But we are trying to insert the data in orders table 3. Customer ID is 3. Okay, it will fail. Why? Because it will go and check the reference table, the ID 3 is available or not. Why? Because we have added here foreign key reference to the customer table with customer ID column. Okay, it will go and check the data really it's available or not. If it is not available, simply it will throw the error. The insert statement conflicted with foreign key constraint, the foreign key name. Okay, here why? Because as I said previous session, it will take by default with some ID. Okay, if we will create with a specific name by using alter statement, it will show that name only. Okay, the conflict occurred in a database training. The table in the column is a customer ID. Okay, this is the way we can identify the foreign key relationship error and make sure you need to insert the dependency data to the customers table. Then only we can insert the customer ID 3 into orders table. That's the thing we need to keep in mind. In real-time environment also, that ID if it is not available, we need to ask the business user, hey, this ID is not available in this relationship table, please let us know when can we expect the data, something else. So you need to intimate it to the customer. Once the ID is available, then we will run the production jobs, whatever, it will solve the error. Some cases customer will suggest delete that row, okay, in the orders table while we are inserting the data. Okay, so first we insert two customers into the customers table. That is done, completed, successfully inserted the data. Then we insert two orders table with valid customer ID values. It's also inserted, succeeded. Finally, we are trying to insert an order with a customer ID that does not exist in the customers table, which fails due to the foreign key constraint violation error that we saw it. Okay, this is the difference between um, foreign key constraint error. Okay, let me give a brief. Okay, see here, this is the customers table, this is orders table. Okay, order ID is the primary key and customer ID is the primary key, but we have the customer ID in our order table. While inserting the data into order table, it will go and check the customer ID is available or not in the customer table. This is the referential table. Then only it will insert the data. This is about a foreign key constraint. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Do like, comments, share it in social media. Thank you. Bye bye.